Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung M53 and M53 5G. So if you want to enable, like whenever you use the keyboard, it will produce some sound or the vibration. If you want to enable this, you can do this by the methods I will show you in this video. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device.